Yo, do you mind coming over here and talking to me? Is this your baby?
Yeah.
Yeah? Who's this lady? You want to give him baby so I can talk to him?
Yeah.
How long have you guys been together?
Since 9th grade.
Since 9th grade?
Yeah.
And that's your child that you guys have in common? Okay.
We had many altercations, but like, not like
your volume is so low.
It's like the farthest.
Alright, so you guys were here today.
Yeah.
Alright. What happened?
Literally, okay, I woke up, I checked the time on her phone because my phone dead.
Okay.
And I see a dude text her, and I just asked her, I'm like, so we cheating? You know how girls do, they get offensive. Like, blah, 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 all this and this, that. Then I try to talk to her, I'm like, boom, can you just take me home? Because I have no transportation, I want to go home.
Where's home at?
We live in the same house.
Where?
In Fort Myers.
Okay. Why you guys have Airbnb here?
Oh, because her mom's birthday.
Okay.
We staying a couple here, couple nights. Yeah. And then I woke up, like, you text anybody? She's like, yeah.
How'd you see the text?
Oh, because my phone's dead, and I had used her phone to see what time it was.
And you went through messages?
No, I didn't. I just turned the phone on, literally, and then it said she was texting somebody. So boom, I'm like, "You take me home." She like, "No." She getting mad. I keep asking her, "Can you take me home? Can you take me home?" She's like, "No, no, no." That's really what happened, led up to it, because I kept asking, "Can you take me home? I don't want to be here." They got no transportation. She brought me here in her mom's car. I have no other way home, sir. I called my people. They couldn't come get me, so I needed somebody to take me home. I didn't want to be here at all.
Okay.
She got mad through the phone.
She threw the phone or you threw the phone?
She threw the phone.
She threw the phone?
Phone is broke, sir.
Okay. So then how'd you end up with the scratches on your back and on your stomach?
I'm telling you, she was just like grabbing me. Like I'm telling you, I'm trying to push her off me because I don't want to touch a female.
Were you walking away? Were you?
I was trying to. I'm telling you, I do not want to touch a female.
Where was your child when this was happening?
My child was in there. Her mother was trying to control her too, but it was just too much.
Hold
So
up.
you're trying to walk.
This right here is where the story starts splitting into two versions. He says is escaping chaos. She says emotions exploded after insults. And notice this. Both are telling pieces
Too
that
much going on.
So you're trying to walk away. She's grabbing you, trying to force you not to
But her
leave.
mother got the baby, so she can't control her. Like,
And you're doing
I'm trying
evasive
to move,
maneuvers,
yeah,
trying to get out of it.
Just trying to go, sir.
Okay. Did you hit her at all?
No, sir, I did not hit her.
How did she obtain those injuries?
I don't know, sir. I'm trying to pull her off of me. So, like when I mean she on me, so I'm trying to pull her off of me. I don't want these on me. I don't want that, sir. I'm trying to pull her off of me. Like it didn't hurt my baby's right here, but that's just like
Yeah. Have you guys been physical in the past?
not like this. We just arguing, but we've never been physical like this. I just wanted to go home. That's it, bro.
Okay.
You okay? Do you need EMS? No? Huh? You sure you don't want EMS? They come check you out? Alright. So the argument started about cheating?
I guess he woke up and saw somebody on my phone, which we both cheat, you know how they drop their relationships. I guess I was already distancing myself from him because he already kept coming by saying slick stuff. Like, after he found out, I already told him in a message that I even said I take the blame. After that, he just kept coming in and out, making slick remarks, and I'm just trying to ignore him. I'm on the phone with my sister trying to ignore this man. So after that, it just takes place like he wanted to go home. Like he wanted me to drive him home. We already came out here for the Airbnb, but he wanted me to take him home. But I already said like we just woke up at 12. It's already hitting 1 o'clock.
Where's home?
Fort Myers. I said I don't feel like going home.
Is that on your ID?
It probably is Lehigh because my ID's old, but it should be Fort Myers update now.
Okay.
But, telling him I didn't want to go home. He's saying, no, you need to take me home. Telling him, call his sister, take him home. But still just back and forth like that, but not touching it yet. So I come out the living room, I'm sitting there putting on my baby clothes because she just got to pull my mom. We sitting on the couch, mind you, he's drinking liquor already.
Okay.
Liquor bring out the truth in people. Whoa. He's drinking liquor.
Big turning point. She openly admits, I threw my hands on him. That changes everything. In domestic cases, words can spark arguments, but physically crossing that line,
people. He's drinking liquor because he can't smoke, so he had to do something else to cope his pain, I guess.
Okay.
So, he's sitting there and he was like, that's why you taste like that. That's why you've been tasting so weird. Just basically like calling me out my names, calling me all, saying I'm ran through, saying I'm that, just making me feel bad about myself. So of course the words touched me and I threw my hand on him.
Right.
So my mom was trying to stop us, but I was still throwing my hands on him. So he didn't touch me at all. He was just trying to like jack me up, push me off of him type, but he didn't put his hands on me.
Okay. When you say push you off of him, did you come on to him?
Did I come on to him?
Yeah.
We was already like this,
Okay.
like this.
Well, you don't have to do that to
But
me.
that's
okay.
how we was. So I'm trying to give you the picture.
Okay.
So we was like that. So I already threw my punch, but he grabbed and pulled my braid out my head. My shit scalped. I already know. So that's when I was punching him because he pulled my braid out my head. So of course I'm gonna throw a punch, and I was continue throwing punches at him. So he has a knot on his head. So that's when he just yanked me by my shirt and grabbed me like this.
Okay.
That's why my shirt is ripped.
Okay.
And then yeah, so my mom put us in the car, and it was just time to go home. And then that's when you guys came.
Okay. You obviously have marks all over you,
Me?
right? Yeah.
Probably.
And so does he. So
Probably because my junk is like sensitive, but you could
can you
take
go
pictures.
ahead? Yeah. I mean, I don't want you pulling down your shirt too much, but you got a couple scratch marks there. If you could just hold that.
Did you catch that officer question? Where'd you hit him first? And then, right in his eye. That's not a small detail.
Marks there, if you could
Investigators
just hold
love...
that. You have anything on your hands? Can you go ahead and put your hands together for me? Like this. Turn them around. Together. Okay. All right. So you approached him and he started hitting you, swinging, or?
When I approached him, we was already arguing. I guess when I got
At what point did it get physical?
when he just kept calling me out my name.
So did he just kind of piss you off and off
Yeah.
until you came over and hit him? Where'd you hit him first?
His eye.
Right in his eye.
Right
Right in
here.
the eye.
Oh, if you know police footage, you know this sound. You have the right to remain silent. The vibe just changed instantly.
His eye.
Right
Right
here.
in
You
the
got
eye.
him or not? That's
Okay.
when he pulled my braid out.
After
and
you
it
hit
just
him?
got more because he pulled my braid out.
After you hit him?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Not gonna lie, officer, I don't know if I do have anger problems, but I really try my best because I'm trying to change for my daughter. But
Right.
he already know what type of buttons to push.
Right.
And I literally was trying to hold I kid you, I was trying to hold my composure until I couldn't. No, I couldn't.
No, I understand, right? Words will get
I
to you.
didn't mean to hit him. Like I even after
How long
I
have you
hit
guys
him,
been together for?
We've been together 5 years.
Okay.
Since freshman.
All right. Well, just like our policy, right? Because it's an investigation,
Right.
I'm gonna have to read this to you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in a court of law.
No. Before we ask her any questionings, is interviewing her, we have to ask her. She's not in the restroom. She'll be handcuffed right
You
now.
have the right to talk to an attorney.
This is the emotional crash out moment. Panic, fear, crying, everything just detonates at once. But here's the hard reality. Once an arrest starts,
Talk to an attorney. Do you understand what I've explained to you?
Yes.
Okay. Do you wish to continue talking to me?
If you want me to.
Okay.
Wait, what's going on?
Just hold on here for just a sec, okay? Can you go ahead and put your phone down for me? Okay.
God, are you guys taking
Put your hand behind your back. No, stop.
Why?
Over there.
I'm gonna tell my daddy.
Who's
Bro.
this?
Whoa.
Just take it around. Elias, stop it. Turn around. Turn around. This is... Stop. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased.
Get my other
Put your
arm.
hand.
I can't get my other arm. I can't.
Take your other arm out. Take your other arm out. She is. Go ahead. Here.
Please don't.
Do not resist. I'm gonna tase you. You understand?
Please
Stop.
don't tase her.
I'm not going to. Can you go over there so we can do our job, please?
know, but that's my
Thank you.
daughter.
I don't care.
You guys.
Go ahead and fix them. Fix them. You're gonna have to take them off anyways. She's not doing nothing.
What's happening with him?
Listen, ma'am, I told you to go over there. All right?
I'm here.
I will arrest you for obstruction if you don't get away from me.
All right. I'll help you stand up.
Baby, you gotta stand.
Get up.
You got to, baby.
Stand up.
Up, baby.
I will
Dude,
drag you to the
Stop
car.
it. Stand up.
Stand up, baby, because they're gonna tase you. Leah.
All right, cool.
Denise. Oh my God. Denise, stop. Denise.
I'm sorry, I have my radio.
Get in the car.
I can put my
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Shut up.
Get in the car.
Nobody got twisted though. You probably
Very
domestic violence yourself.
Yeah. You're gonna get another charge.
Move. Listen, stop that or you're gonna get tased. You understand me? Stop
Stop
that.
doing this for no reason. Though.
Stop that. You're gonna get
Why?
another charge.
Why?
Listen to me. You're gonna get another charge. Okay? Stop it. Just go down now. I'll do the rest. Let them know she's probably gonna be disorderly, so they know on your way there. Yes, I will explain that to you. Give me 1 second. No, we're shoving down. You got the hot
Can I
ties?
drive with you? Can I ride with you?
No,
Why?
no.
I don't want to ride with him.
Stop. Stop it.
He's rude.
Stop it. All right, stop, please. I'm asking you to just stop. You did this. We didn't do it.
I
Okay?
didn't do nothing. I told the truth.
Hey, I got him. I think I got some on my seat. Just hold it here. Come back over here.
Ouch.
Come back over here.
Why?
Come back over here, woman.
In the car.
I understand. I'm going to tie your feet because you can't act like an adult and you keep kicking my car.
Well, I'm not doing that no more.
Come over here. You still have to be in the car seat. Come over here. I'm going to drag. I don't want to keep hurting you. I don't want to keep touching you. Come over here. Listen to me. I don't want to keep forcing you, all right? I don't want to keep holding you.
Just
come over so I can put I have to put your car. I have to put the seatbelt.
You gotta get in the seatbelt.
Come on, dude. Let's go. Stop it. Come over here. To your feet.
And there it is, the final chapter. Misdemeanor battery and resisting without violence. What started as a text message and jealousy spiraled into handcuffs, charges, and a family crisis. One
Call my dad. Mommy, can you call my dad? I want my daddy.
Give me your feet.
I want my dad. Call my dad. Okay, bring it here.
Sit back.
Now,
No.
bring it here. Bring it here. Don't listen to them. Bring it here. Tell daddy come. Your seatbelt.
Go ahead. Just go to the jail. She stops. Let the jail know she's gonna be disorderly.
Washington Central.
I'm gonna take some pictures of you, okay? You just put your arms out like this.
I don't gotta press charges.
Okay, in traffic.
No, the state is.
Why? I got to. But they got to.
It's domestic violence, brother.